This query has great significance, for in one sense or another, it is both necessary and most helpful to be able to use the catalyst of your illusion as food for growth. The catalyst could be anything that takes you off of the center of the love of the one infinite creator, which is your starting point. The love of the creator made all that there is within the one infinite creation, made every entity, every being, everything. That is where you are when you are not experiencing catalysts. Any catalysts, be it what you might call of a positive nature or of a negative nature. That which causes one to be happy, causes one to the sadness, causes one to feel difficulty, or causes one to feel that there is no difficulty. When you are at the end of your day, it is helpful to engage in the balancing process in the meditative state so that you review what you might call the book of your experience for the day that you have helped to write, and others who have interacted with you have also been co-authors of this book of experiences. You look first at whatever took you off of your center of love. You relive that experience with whomever was involved. Then you exaggerate that experience. You cause it to get larger and larger so that it makes more of an impact in your total being. So that you feel its presence, you feel its power, you feel how it has caused you to move away from the basic foundation, the experience of love. Then you imagine the opposite of this experience that would also then grow by itself into an equal amount of power, expression, and experience. This type of balancing then is based upon the premise that those of Ra have shared with this group that says that in order to balance a distortion, one must accentuate it. So, feeling the accentuation of both the positive and the negative, the good and the bad, you see yourself as being acceptable for having both of these experiences within your being as a portion of what you shall become throughout your life experience. That is the one infinite creator. You are a 360-degree being that has all of the experiences that can ever be imagined contained within it. This is your journey. This is your path. This is the path of every seeker of truth, to discover the nature of the Creator within the self. This discovery is made by balancing all of the catalysts, the food for growth that comes to you in every day of your life. This is a journey of seeking that could well take an entire lifetime and more than one lifetime to accomplish. But as you are able to do this and to gain more experiences and become more and more a 360-degree being, then you become more and more of the one infinite creator. You fulfill the journey of every seeker of truth to become one, once again, with the one infinite creator, which you always have been since before time began. For you were made by the one creator, out of the one creator, within the universe of the one infinite creator.